it's your girl Imani checking in with a brand new video on my channel. And if you read that title, then you already know we are going to be doing some DIY stacked jeans. I've been seeing these a lot on my Instagram and Twitter timelines, so I figured I would make me a pair. And in this video, I'm actually going to do two different methods. I'm going to do one with a sewing machine and one without a sewing machine. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So yeah, what you're going to need for the first method is some thread, a needle, and some scissors. And then of course you're gonna need two pairs of jeans. I'm using some dark denim and some black denim. I wanted to do some light jeans, but I didn't have any. Black ones are going to be my stacks, and I think I'm also going to use the back pockets. So let's get to it. Okay, so the base of your jeans, you can pretty much just put these to the side for now and just worry about the pair of jeans that you're going to cut up. So this part is pretty much all about your preference of like how long you want the stacks. I think I want my stacks to be about, I think I'm gonna use about this much. So I'm actually going to go grab a white crayon because I'm doing this against black fabric. So I'm going to go grab a white crayon, then I'm going to draw a line directly across so I know exactly where I'm cutting. I'm just gonna cut right across. Just gonna take my scissors and I'm going to cut off the back pockets. So now you're going to take your base pants and you're going to actually flip this inside out, and then you're going to stick your arm through it and you're going to pull your pants leg through just like this, and then it should be lined up like this. So now what you're gonna do, then you're going to grab your needle. Any size needle works, but I prefer to work with a smaller needle. And you're going to grab your thread and you're going to pull like a nice size length piece, because you're going to be sewing all the way around the hole of the pants leg. So you want to make sure you don't run out of the thread. So you're gonna take your thread and you're going to thread your needle. You're gonna pull it through the other side and you're going to match up the ends of the thread. So now that you have both ends of the thread, you're gonna tie, I usually recommend a triple knot in the thread just because I like that extra security. So you should have something like that little tiny knot. I'm actually gonna do another one just in case. So you're gonna put your needle through about right there and you're gonna push it through both fabrics. You're gonna pull just like that and you're gonna keep going. So push it through both, pull it through. And then if you made the knots correctly, then the thread will stop wherever you made that knot. So now I'm finished with the first pant leg. I'm gonna tie a triple knot on the inside right here so that the thread and stuff doesn't unravel. This is how it should look. It should look like one super long pant leg like this. So now I'm going to show the second method with the other pant leg. So I'm going to get that set up. Method number 2, and we are using a sewing machine. So it's the same thing as the first method. You're going to take your pants leg and you're going to flip it inside out just like this, and then you're going to stick your arm through and you're going to take it and pull the other pant leg through. Just like this, and you're just going to go ahead and sew them together. I have finished putting like the actual stacks on the pants. Now I am going to put the pockets on there. You can put the pockets on using a sewing machine, but for the sake of this video, I am going to sew them on there by hand. And I'm gonna make them into like actual pockets. So I won't be sewing this part closed. I'm just gonna sew on the sides and down. So here's the finished look. They came out really cute. I actually only put one pocket on there because I liked how the one pocket looked. So I just decided to do the one pocket instead of two. But yeah. So again, one of these, I can't remember which one was which, but one of these was sewn with the sewing machine and then the other one was sewn like by hand. But either way it go, either method works. As you can see, they still come out, you know, bomb. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, of course. Subscribe, turn on my post notifications. That's it, really. Make sure you follow me on the socials at Imani Alexis, EMONIALEXIS. And yeah, I am wishing you love and light.